My name is Louis Niemeyer, and today I'm going to be showing you a really effective raid with a healer, 16 giants, and 11 goblins. In the future, I will be doing one with the Barbarian King because I'm going to upgrade my Town Hall soon. I'm going to get the Barb King. Anyway, back into the raiding business. So let's find a match. This could take a while because it's been like... Sometimes it's taken me like 10 minutes to find a base. Anyway, you see that thing right there? That's a mortar. For those of you who don't know what a mortar does, it is basically a contraption that can shoot out balls of like rocks with explosives in them, and they can do... What are you doing, Dad? Are you juggling? Anyway, so they can shoot out balls of explosives that does splash damage to any enemies in the area, but they're not that powerful. This could be an interesting raid. 14, no, it doesn't have enough loot. I'm basically aiming over like 10,000 loot. No, that one's a little hard. Ooh.
Tell people what you're doing.
Should I raid this base? It looks really good.
Explain to people what you're doing.
So, like, I wanted nothing in the clan castle. This one has nothing. Does this guy have an air defense? No. Okay, might stand a chance. I might stand a chance with my thunder potion. See if I can damage the mortar. Come on, damage. Damage. Edge. Come on. You got this. You got this. Come on, guardian angel, save them. It's actually a healer. It does splash damage so that I can heal up my troops. It's really useful if you don't want your troops to die, which nobody wants their troops to die. It's really like keeping my giants up and running. Come on. Destroy that Ultra Tower. I want plenty of time to... Okay, goblins, go. Level 2 goblins, go. Come on, goblins, you got this. Get that gold storage. Come on. I'm basically counting on my goblins to do as much stuff as possible. Come on. Get that elixir storage. Wait, is there even elixir in that thing? Looks like my giants are doing pretty good. This guy is such a weak base. Not allowed to... 1 second, I gotta sneeze. Went away. Apparently not. You never know with sneezes. Thanks for the tissue. Oh, I'm at my max gold. Come on, goblins, you got this. Come on, I want to wrap this up. So anyway, as you can see, this is really good for goblins and stuff. It's just really good for noobish people. Come on. I really hope they get this. No, I think they will. Probably not, because when I say I think they will, it always turns up ending out that they do not. Oh, come on, giants. I always notice that with giants, they always go for the max level wall. Like, there are all these level 3 walls, then they choose to go for the level 4 wall, but I guess it's not that much of a deal. Come on. Oh, get the chicken. Put out the chicken. I love KFC. Look at those goblins. Come on. And look at those giants and that healer. Come on, goblins. Hurry up. Come on. And destroyed. On the 0 seconds. Success. Anyway, this is just a really effective raid I wanted to show you. This is Louis Niemeyer. Bye.